AI is changing how developers design, build, and deploy products. As enterprises race to capitalize on AI's benefits, developers play a critical role. There's no denying that incorporating generative AI can unlock powerful capabilities, but it's not without challenges. Understanding and working with large language models requires specialized knowledge. Even off-the-shelf AI models can be difficult to customize and fine-tune. Add to the mix that AI is rapidly evolving, making it essential for developers to stay up to date with the latest tools, frameworks, and best practices. That's where Red Hat can help. The Red Hat AI Workshop for Developers offers an accelerated, hands-on learning experience to help enterprise developers incorporate AI into their applications quickly and effectively. Designed to enhance development teams' knowledge and skills, the workshop offers key insights into building, deploying, and managing cloud-native AI applications while rapidly iterating with sample applications and AI models. Choose from a variety of modules, each available individually, including modernizing existing applications with generative AI, enhancing model performance through prompt engineering, improving accuracy and relevance with private data training using Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, fine-tuning AI models for greater precision, from specialized training to deployment. With Red Hat's AI Workshop for Developers, you'll gain the practical skills and knowledge you need to integrate AI with confidence. Learn more. Contact us today.